it's hard to stop doing it once you already started giving them money. You know what I mean? It's fine if you're happy to do it. You just want to, give your money away. But if you're working hard to earn that, I don't think it is a good idea. Unless you're rich, you don't know what to do with your money, it's fine. As long as when you get scammed, don't blame all the Filipina are scammers.
She frauded me. Her and her boyfriend made an agreement with each other to fraud me.
You know what? If the majority of men who are courting Filipinas for marriage don't send these ladies any money, it could possibly put an end to most of the bullshit men encounter when it comes to the vetting process. Most men who lead with their wallets do it to either entice the woman in order to keep her interested, meaning that he's actually paying for her attention out of desperation, or he's a very nice guy who is generous, which could mean that sometimes people take advantage of his generosity. But what these guys don't realize is that it's unnecessary. You don't have to buy your way to a woman's heart.
Money can't buy me love.
In some ways, men who chose to spoil the woman is actually damaging the relationship, because as time goes by, she's most likely going to become less emotionally involved with the man and more concerned about that monthly cash flow. Now she's programmed to operate on survival mode. And when the money runs out, if she doesn't really care about the guy, she's going to run out.
If you just slide into my DMs or in my TikTok inbox bragging about how expensive your car is, how cool is your car is, how big your house is, don't me. You don't know me. I married my husband with zero amount on his bank account, with no ring or rock, just a heartfelt proposal. Imagine that. So, don't me. Don't me daw. Yaw, words na mga pilingon, maglagot kay kung mga pilingon bakyatay kayo ay. So guys, if you wanted to get the girl's attention, just be cool, okay? Don't brag of your car, or we don't really care about that, okay? That will only attract lazy women, okay? He's probably gonna see it, but I don't care. He can just unfollow me or whatever, but I got a little offended. That's why I'm here ranting. But I'm good.
What some guys don't realize is that to most women, boasting and bragging about your material possessions is a turnoff. In most cases, leading with your wallet attracts the wrong type of woman anyway. So just don't do it.